Important FAQs on the linking maintenance order during temporary advance settlement. The first query is how to link maintenance order during temporary advance settlement. For the linking maintenance order expenditure during the temporary advance settlement, the below steps are to be followed. I repeat again, when and why you should add the temporary advance maintenance order in the temporary advance. When you have taken the temporary advance for any maintenance expenditure, then you should create the temporary maintenance order during the settlement of the temporary advance. While creating temporary advance settlement, cost object column, select order number under CO account column, fill the maintenance order number. Fine. Here you can choose the cost center, here you can choose the WBS element, here you can choose the order number, here you can choose the network number. Okay, so during cost object you have these options are there, right? By selecting order number in the cost object column, cost will be traced through the maintenance order for the equipment. Finally, it is settled at cost center that is defined in the maintenance order. After final approval of the temporary advance settlement by the competent authority, this cost can be seen under the actual cost in cost tab in the maintenance order. Okay. In a flow, only steps on how to link a maintenance order in temporary advance are shown. Remaining flow for the processing the maintenance order and temporary advance settlement are to be followed in the usual way. Okay. I have incurred expenditure on the sweeping charges. Whether I have to create maintenance order? No. Maintenance order is to be created only for the expenditure under the header of the repair and maintenance. Below are the some example. For example, computer maintenance, part of exchange, operators and plant, computer maintenance, part of office machinery, repair and maintenance, line and wire, repair and maintenance, cable, repair and maintenance, operators and plant, repair and maintenance, buildings, repair and maintenance, water vehicles, repair and maintenance, subscriber installation, RNM installation and test equipment, RNM mast and aerials, RNM staff quarters, RNM furniture, RNM office equipments. Okay, I have a cable fault and about 10 vouchers to claim in the temporary advance account. Whether I have to create 10 maintenance order? Case A. If the 10 vouchers are related to 10 different maintenance instances for the different repairs or the different dates, individual maintenance notification and individual maintenance order needs to be created for the each voucher. Case B. If the above 10 vouchers are related to the single maintenance event activity, only one notification and one maintenance order needs to be created and all the 10 vouchers can be settled in the same maintenance order in this case. Generally, people are doing the single maintenance order. They are prepared the single maintenance order, but don't do this. Don't put each and every maintenance cost on the single equipments or on the single routes. Okay, please create the different maintenance order for different maintenance job activity. I have a total number of 10 vouchers to claim in the temporary advance account. Due to amount adjusted in the current advance, I am able to claim only 4 bills in the current advance. Can I claim remaining bills in the next advance without creating an additional MO? Yes, no need to create additional MO, but refer point number 3A and B. I've incurred RNM expenditure on equipment for which equipment number is not available in SAP. How can I create MO for linking to temporary advance? If the equipment was already existing and commissioned before go live itself, but by mistake the data was not submitted in the concerned PM master data template during go live, then raise the PIS by submitting the detail of equipment that is to be created. If the equipment is installed commission after go live, please ensure to get the corresponding asset created through PS first, then raise a PIS in the ERP portal, submit the details in the equipments to PM MDM along with the asset number and functional location. Okay. Without equipment number available in SAP, you are not supposed to create a maintenance order. I have incurred and repair and maintenance expenditure on the electrical wings fittings such as replacing burnout tubes, chokes, bulb, for which number equipment is available in SAP. How can I create MO? Generally, equipment namely EI and fans is available in every building and functional location for this purpose. Please select that equipment creating MO in each such cases. If EIN fans is not available as equipment in your buildings, please get that created by following the process as already explained in the point number 5 and above. Okay. Is it necessary that MO is to be created by a person who is claiming in temporary advance account? No, it is not necessary that both persons should be the same. Expenditure linkage is the concern with the equipment number maintenance activity only, not with the person. I have created a MO and linked the temporary advance account also. When I have to set the status of MO to TECO, MO is created for the purpose of linking expenditure. Should not be set the status TECO unless the temporary advance settlement is finally approved by the competent authority. I have already set the status of MO to TECO and my temporary advance account is still not yet finally approved by the competent authority. What shall I do? You can cancel the technical completion by the following procedure. Go in the order, go in the function, go in the complete, go in the cancel technical completion. Okay, and this activity you need to do IW32. Click on the order function complete cancel TECO. By doing above, order status will be reverted in the REL release state. Okay, how can I know that my temporary advance settlement is final approved or not? You can always track the status by using ZFI 069 underscore 2 underscore 2 in display mode by going to history tab. Okay, and you can open this temporary advance and see in the history tab. Okay, it should be seen approved. Okay, when I created MO on the functional location at the time of releasing order, system is directing to a page maintain settlement rule overview. What shall I do? MO is not supposed to be created on functional location. I should always be created on equipment. When MO is created on equipment, it never asks for maintain settlement rule, as this cost center data is already available in the equipment master, right? So these are the few frequently asked questions related with the maintenance order to be created for the temporary advance settlement, and these are the very important data I have shown here. This data I have shown here for the understanding and learning purpose. Please share this knowledge with your field unit officers who is frequently creating temporary advance for the maintenance job, because they have taken the temporary advance, they have received the bill from the vendor, but during the settlement they are feeling lots of problem. So it's my humble request with all the officers, please discuss these things with field unit officers, because once you know each and every things in SAP related with the temporary advance and other job activity, you're you're you have easy to settle the temporary advance within the permissible time limit. Okay, have a good day. If you think this is useful tutorial for you, please press a like button, and if you have any query in your mind, please mention in the comment box. Okay, have a good day.